everybody, it's Miss Greta here today. I have an awesome book that I'm going to read to you all. It's a long book, so we're just going to read a little bit today, and then we'll read some more on Monday when I see you all again. This is a good book to help us learn about seeds. It's called A Seed is Sleepy, and it's by Dianna, Aston, and Sylvia Long. Oh, look. You recognize what kind of seeds those are? I bet you do. Oh, and here it shows many different types of seeds. See if you know any of those. I bet you can name a few. All right. A seed is sleepy. It lies there, tucked inside its flower, on its cone, or beneath the soil, snug, still. Do you know what kind of seeds those are? Those are sunflower seeds. It's a sunflower. A seed is secretive. It does not reveal itself too quickly. Most seeds sleep through a season or two, waiting for the warmer temperatures of spring. But some take their time. 10 years might pass before the bright red-orange seed of the Texas mountain laurel shows its purple blooms. Isn't that pretty? A seed is fruitful. 90% of the plants on Earth are flowering plants. Flowering plants produce fruits. Fruits of all shapes and textures that keep the seeds cozy until they have found the right place to grow. I see blueberries. I see strawberries. There's an Indian almond. Lots of different seeds. A seed is naked. Who would guess that a seed as small as a freckle would grow into the world's tallest tree? Only 10% of redwood trees begin as seeds, though. Most redwood trees spring from existing trees. Scientists call gymnosperms seeds that aren't clothed in fruits naked seeds. Most naked seeds hide themselves in the scales of cones until they're ready to make a dash for the ground. Seeds come in many sizes. The orchid seed is the smallest of all. There might be 1 million seeds in one pod. That's a lot. The seed of the Coco de Mer palm is the largest. It can weigh up to 60 pounds. Wow, seeds come in all different sizes, don't they? Some are tiny and some are big. A seed is adventurous. It must strike out on its own in search of a less crowded place to put down roots. A parachute of fine silky hairs can take a dandelion seed 100 miles from its parent plant. Wow, that's far, isn't it? And we have a Japanese maple leaf. There's milkweed. Yeah. Drift seeds float on ocean currents from one shore to another. They have enough air inside to help them float, and their thick protective shells keep out seawater. Wow, those are some smart seeds, huh? There's so many different kinds of seeds that have so many different ways of spreading around so they can plant and grow. To find a spot to grow, a seed might leap from its pod, like that violet is doing, or cling to a child's shoestring. You see those? Those cockleburrs? We call them hitchhikers sometimes, don't we? Or tumble through a bear's belly. So like the huckleberries, the bears eat it, and then when they're done with it, it comes out in their waist and it can grow. A seed hopes to land where there is plenty of sunlight, soil, and water. A seed is inventive. Yes, all kinds of different ways. All right, let's read just a couple more pages here. A seed is generous. It gives the baby plant or embryo a seed coat to keep it warm. Let's look a little closer at this real quick. So do you see this is a bean? And this is what it looks like in 2 days, in 4 days. Here it is in a week, and then look in 4 weeks what we have. And then in 5 weeks we have our bean, don't we, our fruit. Rice in 3 days, a week, a month. Here it is in 2 months, and in 4 months. Look at that. Pumpkin, we know about those, don't we? There's the pumpkin seed in 4 days, and it sprouts in a week. And then in 2 months, it's flowering. In 3 months, it has little fruit. And then in 4 months, we have a nice pumpkin, don't we? A slash pine, 1 week, 6 weeks, 2 months, and in 8 years, we have a tree there, don't we? There's teak in 4 days, a week, 10 weeks, a year, and 8 years. Okay. So let's look at this. The embryo's first meal comes from its seed leaves, or cotyledons. Seeds with 1 seed leaf, like corn, are called monocots. Seeds with 2 seed leaves, like beans, are called dicots. So look here. There's the bean. There's its root, isn't it? There's the shoot there where it's going to sprout. See? And here's our seed leaf. Here's the seed coat. Wow. All right, and we'll do one more, and then we're gonna wait, and we'll read some more next week. Okay. Some seeds are ancient. Not all seeds are eager to germinate. Some have lain dormant or slept undisturbed for more than 1,000 years. The oldest known seed to sprout came from an extinct date palm tree. After it was unearthed from a long ago king's mountaintop palace in Israel, a scientist planted it, and 4 weeks later, it sprouted. Wow, is that interesting? Even ancient seeds, some of them, can still live and grow. That is cool, huh? And I don't know if you all might remember on one of our videos that we did, and we talked about different seeds and plants, and we talked about the experiment where our astronauts worked with our National Park Service and our rangers, and they did the experiment. They took some seeds with them to the moon, and then they brought them back. They brought them back here and planted them, and they grew just like a normal seed would. So that was pretty interesting. All right, Miss Mika's going to be on to talk to you all tomorrow, okay? And I will come back on Monday, and we'll read some more of A Seed is Sleepy and see what else we can learn about all these different kinds of seeds and the interesting ways that they travel so that they can grow. Okay, I hope you all have a good weekend. I'll see you Monday. Bye-bye.